everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today we are doing a Fashom unboxing. And this is my second box. And before I get into it too much, I wanted to talk a little bit about it. So this is a clothing subscription box. It is very similar to Stitch Fix, but there is differences. So Stitch Fix, you will pay $25 or $20 or $25 styling fee each time. I think it's $20. But anyways, and basically you get credited that if you purchase one or more products from the box. This one is only $15 a month, but if you sign up, please remember that I do have my Fashom referral link in my description box below, and you can get your first box for free, no subscription fee on your first box. But after that, it only costs $15 a box, and it's similar because $15 if you pick any one item or more, you get that credited back to you. Basically, it goes into what you pick out of the box. But yeah, so by using my referral link, that will also give you $10 credit, and it also gives me $10 credit for my next box. I don't think I'm gonna get another box, but who knows? They might really blow me out of the water. Right now, I am leaning towards Stitch Fix a little bit more just because I have been so loyal of a customer to them and I absolutely love them. I have a stylist that really gets me, and I'm happy with that service, so I don't need to branch out and try different ones, really. So they will have to really impress me and blow me out of the water and on this box for me to continue on getting this box, because I don't need 2 clothing subscription boxes. I mean, I do love clothes, but to be honest, right now I have clothes in my closet that has tags on it, and I really hate that because I've not had a chance to wear them because I'm working more, you know, in my uniform than I get to wear the clothes I buy. So it just makes more sense for me to slow down on these clothing subscriptions. But yeah, it's only $15 styling fee. After your first box, that would be for free. You have 5 clothing pieces in their box, just like Stitch Fix, but you when they give you like a survey or whatever, you can actually pick 5 items out of like 7 or 8 to choose from, and that's what they send you. So you do get a little bit of a sneak peek, unlike Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix, you can do sneak peeks, but you actually have to work harder at looking at them. But they kind of are similar because they do the styling survey thing, but they have different questions. This one, if you pick 3 or 4 items, you get 25% discount, and if you pick all 5, you get 30% discount. And on Stitch Fix, if you buy, you only get the option of buying all 5 items for 25% discount. So that's kind of a great deal for this type of box. Alright, since I got through all that, I'm going to open it up with you guys because I have not opened it up yet. And I'm excited to see what is in here. Like I said, I've already kind of saw what they're sending me. And I did recognize one of the shirts from last time. But I did say that I wouldn't mind receiving it again if it was a different size. So maybe it's in a different size this time. And I remember some white shorts that, I mean, normally I love white or light colored de-stressed shorts, but I have a lot in my collection right now. But anyways, so they give you this. I believe this was like the invoice that's in here. Yes, this is the invoice that says hello beautiful. I don't like looking at invoices until I'm done. This is the prepaid envelope that if anything doesn't work out for you. You can easily just put the clothes that doesn't work out for you, put it on in your mailbox and put that flag up, and it will ship back to them for free. So free returns. And here is the bundle. So that's what it looks like. And here's the side view. It's nice and colorful. And I'm sorry about not going outside today. Normally I do these unboxings, clothing try-ons and unboxings outside, but there was the neighbor, you know, I'm recording a little bit later than normal, so the neighbors are out and they're making a bunch of noise, so I didn't want the background noises, and plus the sun's really out and beaming right where I normally record, so I didn't want to sweat to death in these clothes that I might not keep, you know. But here is the bundle now that I am unwrapping it. And so this is the shirt from last time. I'm trying to see if it's a different size than last time, but I don't think it is. But I'll try it on and see if it's smaller than last time when they sent it to me. This might be exactly repeated item, and if so, that's kind of disappointing. But if not, that's exciting because they paid attention that I would have liked it if it was in a smaller size. So we'll see if it fits smaller, because I really couldn't see where it would, you know, it said the size. Here is the next one, and I do like the print. Ooh, and I like the bottom of it. See that little tie bottom? And I will be doing a try on later, and I'll just kind of back up a little further away in this room. And by the way, if you want to know all the, you know, the products or how to recreate this look, I did do a video on this makeup look, and it was not my last video, but the video before that. It was basically last Thursday's video. And I'm not doing exactly a scheduled, I don't have a routine schedule on my channel anymore. I do kind of, but I don't think I can, you know, keep up with it. So I'm saying I don't have a scheduled time, but normally I do try to upload Thursdays and Sundays at 1 p.m. Central Time. Every Sunday I try to do a TJ Maxx shop with me video. Ross and TJ Maxx shop with me video, and then Thursdays are my random videos, mostly Stitch Fix videos. Right, and then these are the light washed shorts I was talking about, that I have so many shorts that's kind of similar to this, but these are different. So yeah, who knows, I might buy all 5 if they all work for me. Here's another beautiful summery looking top, I think. Okay, so it's like a cold shoulder top. Let's see. So here is the sleeve, like where my shoulder would go. And you will be able to tell better when I try it on. But there's that. I do like the print. It's cute so far. And the last top. Oh, this is cute too. I might buy all 5. So far, so good. I'm really intrigued to see how that leopard print is going to fit and see what size it is. See if they just size smaller. I'm pretty sure I can get a style or a size exchange if it doesn't work out for me. Kind of like Stitch Fix, but I'm not sure. I have not done that before with them, so we'll see about that. Let's go. I'm gonna go and try on a couple of the pieces, and I'll be right back with you. All right, these are the first 2 pieces, and so here is the shorts. I'll go ahead and show you the shorts first. So I like them. They're a little bit thin in the material, so they kind of show a little bit more lumps and bumps than I like, but they definitely are good. And I just noticed these are faux pockets. They're not even real pockets. But I will turn around for you. So they're not my favorite, but they're definitely not the worst shorts I've tried on, but I do really love the top. I feel like the top really flatters me. I don't like how it bulges here. I think that was the problem last time. I do like the rest, like the material is really, really soft. And they did size down because last time it was so big that it was showing my bra right there here, but it is a little bit smaller, so it doesn't show my bra right through there, so that's good. And these ain't as big. But yeah, this is the shirt. Really like this shirt. Not so fond about the shorts, so we'll see how the rest of the pieces are before I make my decision. Alright, here is the next top. I really like it. Like, I don't have anything like this in my collection already. I really don't have any yellows, I don't think, in my collection, in my closet. And definitely not with a floral, you know, pattern on it. And it looks really good with these light wash shorts. I feel like I like these shorts more with this top. I guess because the colors together. And I really love this detail, how it kind of gathers right through here. So it kind of camouflages my midsection a little bit more with the wrinkle, you know, the wrinkle detail. I like that detail. It's really cute. So it's not like a plain just yellow floral shirt. It has that little twist to it. So yeah, I like that little detail on it. But here it is. Me turn it around. But yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna go try on another top. Oh wow, I really love this top too. I'm in so much trouble if that last top fits me. I love this. Look how cute it is. I love the V-neck. I love the pattern. I love how it just fits me. Like, I don't look wide. Like, it still shows a curve even though these are here. And it just, I don't know, it's a lot flowy, stylish, comfy. It's so me. Like, that's my things I look for in my clothes, is if it's cute, comfortable, stylish. Bam, I'm done. This is cute. I'm in trouble. I'm gonna go try on the last top and be back. Alright, I don't like this one as much because I feel like these patterns that kind of cut off right here don't flatter me very much since I am so big busted. Like, this half of my boob is like down. I don't know. I just, maybe if it was that pattern right to here, I would like it more. Plus, I don't like how it gathers. Like, it's just, it's kind of tighter. It's not as loose fitted as I like. I really like the colors though. Look at the colors with my eyeshadow. Now that looks good together. I do like the colors a lot. I just don't like really the, I guess, the fit and style of it. It's not awful, but I just don't think it's for my body type. So I'm just going to turn around for you so you can see it. You probably definitely have a different body type than me. This just doesn't fit my body type as good. But if you're more, I don't know, a different body type, it might look better on you. But I do like the colors. I like the stripes. I just wish it was looser fitted, and maybe this pattern would go down a little bit further, and then I would like it. But yeah, this is a miss for me, but it might not be for you. It is a soft material and the colors are cute. That's what I do like about it. So now I got to make a decision of what I want to keep and what I want to send back. Now that I've done the math, I have decided I'm only going to keep one of the tops. I am going to keep this one right here, which is the Skies Are Blue printed V-neck cold shoulder top. This one is the most expensive top out of the Fix for $40, but I feel like that one's just so unique and I really want that one. because normally I only keep 1 or all 5 items out of my Stitch Fix, and that's what I did on my last Fashom unboxing. I kept 1 item out of that box also, just because, I don't know, that's what I want to do. I was going to keep all 3 of the things, but I did the math and all 3 would be $87.75, which is great for 3 tops, and they are beautiful, but I really don't need 3 tops in my collection. I really don't even need 1 top in my collection right now, but I really wanted to get this box one more time to see how they are, and I don't know for sure what I'm going to do about my next fix on my Stitch Fix, because I have so much stuff in my collection already. I might hold off on all clothing subscriptions until November when I need more in my collection. And then I might possibly just get a Stitch Fix and a Fashom box together and maybe do like a 2-in-1 battle of the boxes. I think that would be interesting. I just thought of that. So yeah, I might do that. I might just hold off on both of them and get them the 1st of November. See, like, scheduling for 1st of November, see which one comes in first, or if they come in together at good times. See what the prices are, since they're both 5 pieces in each one. Just see what I like out of them. I will read the stylist note. It is Morgan again from my last Fashom unboxing. So it says, "Hey Valerie, your new Fashom styling box has arrived. In this box, I have selected some new chic, trendy, and comfortable clothing," because she knows I like that. Clothing items that will be great new additions to your summer wardrobe. I hope you love these fun styles, and I know you are going to rock them. Your stylist, Morgan. She's so sweet. So I'm going to not show you my address, and I will show you the rest of it real quick. So this is the one I'm keeping, and that's the one I did like, but I'm not going to keep. This one, the cheetah print, and then the top I have on that just didn't work for me at all, and then the shorts that just wasn't my favorite. I hope you enjoyed this Fashom unboxing. I know I did. I just need to hold off on more clothing subscriptions until November, and then maybe we'll have a battle of boxes. I might even try other clothing subscriptions and let them all duke each other out and see who wins. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!